Good morning and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to give you an update on the 67 Giulia Sprint GT. I did some work on it yesterday. Well, did the trim on the passenger side and a few other little things, but wanted to just give you a quick update. I didn't film yesterday. It was kind of a rush that I got started on it and then just got so busy with it, I completely forgot to film. So I'm going to get the car down. I'll move out the Rivian, get the car down, and give you a quick update on what we've done. Again, this is video logging this whole entire restoration process so that when I do put the car up for sale, you'll be able to come back and look at every video that we've done on this car through the restoration process. All right, let me get the Rivian out of here. Let me get the car down and show you what we've done. All right, it's been a day. So here we go. I've got the trim on the outside. I've got, of course, this part of the outside. All of this is in. You come around here, and let me see if I can show you. I've got everything in place. I'll come around to the other side and give you a better view of it. Also, brand new gaskets. Right here, the whole car is going to have new gaskets. Let me walk around so you can see the other side better. Again, all new gaskets going around, and got that on. Everything is in place. I'll do some shining on the chrome one more time. It's got a lot of fingerprints on it for putting it in. So the back seat's pretty much done. The back seat's not secured yet, so you don't see those chrome secure things. I still gotta get them in here, but I gotta take this back off, the hat rack and all that, because I gotta lay the window down. So comment below. I'm gonna use a rope and put it around it, maybe a little WD-40 or something around, and work it in. Let me know if that's what I'm supposed to do or if there's another way to do it. And you see the corner piece there goes around. So yeah, so we got that done. And then two other things in the engine bay. I've got, move this stuff out of the way. I've got my plate in, riveted down, and brakes. I've got .4 in there. I haven't bled them yet. I'm just pouring it in. I'm gonna pump the pedal a couple times. I just wanna get some fluid down. I wanna make sure that I don't have any leaks at all, at least from here to the, the booster, the junction, and so on and so forth. I just wanna make sure I don't have anything leaking first. I'm going to plan on probably bleeding the brakes before we put the motor in, and the motor's going to go in next week. And I think that's all I've done today. Yeah, I've got the pedals getting put down right. Everything's looking good. Yeah, I'm close to getting the motor in. We'll bleed the brakes. And yeah, I thought the chrome came out great, especially from not even knowing how it came apart. So yeah, so I think things are looking really good, and we'll just continue to knock away at the projects. I'll pull these clips off tomorrow, just let it sit a good 24/7. I didn't have to do it on this one since I went ahead and put everything in there, and I'm going to have to get the, we'll work on the molding, the rubber around the doors and all that. That's coming. And golly, I think that's it for today. I think I'm going to call it a day. I'm worn out. All right, and so that is the update on the 67 Giulia Sprint GT. So again, we got all the chrome done on the passenger side. Got the seats in place and all that. We still haven't mounted the seats yet. That's coming after I do the windshield or the rear window. And yeah, and go from there. So just want to give you a quick update on what we've done, and just to let you know that, hey, we're moving along. Looking forward to getting the motor in next week. I did crank the motor up again yesterday. Got the motor back up to temperature, double checked any leaks or anything like that. No oil leaks, no anything, knock on wood. So it's looking really, really good. So until the next video, please like, subscribe, ring that bell, and hopefully you'll see the motor in the car in the next video. God bless.